Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. Let's get started. Now there are two main ways to create your Gmail account. First, you can download the Gmail app from the App Store or Play Store, or you can simply use any browser. So let's go to gmail.com. Once you're on gmail.com, you'll see an option to sign in if you already have an account. But since we're creating a new one, we'll click on Create Account. You'll then have a few options. You can create an account for yourself, for your child, or for work or business. For this demo, I'll choose For Myself. Now, enter your first and last name in the required fields, then click Next. Next, you'll need to provide your date of birth and gender. Just fill those in and click Next. Now, you'll need to choose a username. You can pick one from the suggestions or create your own. I'll choose this one for my demo, then click Next. Now create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure and confirm it by typing it again. Once you're done, click Next. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and click Next. You'll receive a text message with a verification code, which you'll enter on the next screen. Go ahead and type in the code you received and click Next. Here, you can also add a recovery email address. This is optional but recommended, just in case you ever get locked out of your account. Once you're done, click Next. Now you'll see a summary of your account, including your phone number and email address. Review everything and click Next. Read through Google's terms and privacy policy. Once you're ready, click I agree to continue. Congratulations, your Gmail account has been created. You can now open your inbox and start using your new email. And that's it. You've just created a Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Gmail and other apps. We'll see you next time.